Hello students, welcome to English online class. Today we are going to continue simple, compound, complex rules. Let us see few rules today. Last class we discussed rule number 2 and 3, rule number 2 time immediate actions, rule number 3 is time later actions. So today we are going to see rule number 4. Rule number 4, it is condition positive. Condition type and it is also positive. Condition positive. So simple sentence phrase in case of or in the event of plus possessive adjective plus verb plus ing form. Simple sentence in case of or in the event of possessive adjective plus v plus ing form. So possessive adjective we discussed in rule number 1, that is he means is, that is possessive adjective. She means her, they, their, we means our. So the is, her, their, our. So these are all possessive adjective. Next one, v plus ing form. And compound sentence coordinating conjunction is only and. Coordinating conjunction and. Complex sentence only if. Complex sentence only if. Okay. So condition, that is in case of, in the event of, if, that is if you studied that if class means you would know that, okay, the condition part and result part. Actually the conditional class or if class we call as. See, if you play well, you will win the match. So actually the if you play well, this is condition part. Okay, if you play well, this is condition. What is the result? You will win the match. So here the condition type, the result is positive one. Okay, the rule number 4, we are saying the condition type, that is a positive one. We should not say the negative thing. If the condition, if you play well, you will win the match. The result is positive. So only I have given the subtopic, that is condition positive. Next rule we will discuss condition negative. So this is condition positive. This is condition part. This one is result part. Can you understand? So in case of, in the event of possessive adjective v plus ing form, and compound and, complex if. So I think you can identify that what is the sentence. Yes, this is complex sentence. If you play well, you will win the match. Subordinating clause, main clause. Okay, we'll see. Compound sentence. You play well. and you will win the match. You play well and you will win the match. Okay, we got a compound sentence. We have got it. You play well and you will win the match. See, simple sentence. We have to use either in case of or in the event of. So, in case of, what is the possessive adjective? You means your. You means your. And V plus ing form. So, playing. In case of your playing well, you will win the match. Okay, so these are all result parts. These are all condition parts. So the result part is positive way. Okay, we are saying the condition part, okay, and the result is positive. So only we have given that condition positive sentence. If you play well, you will win the match. You play well and you will win the match. In case of you are playing well, you will win the match. Okay, can you understand? We'll see one more example. If you listen, you can understand. If you listen, you can understand. Okay, so this is complex. Complex sentence. So compound sentence, you listen and you can understand. You listen and you can understand. And what is the complex sentence? Complex sentence, in case of your listening, you can understand. Okay, can you understand the sentence? In case of your listening, you can understand. Yes? See you next one. If she writes well, she can score good marks. Okay, if she writes well, she can score good marks. So complex sentence. This one is complex. Compound sentence. She writes well and she can score good marks. This one is compound sentence. She writes well and she can score good marks. And simple sentence, here we will use in the event of she possessive form her, possessive adjective her, in the event of her writing well, she can score good marks. Can you understand? In case of her writing well, she can score good marks. This is simple sentence. You can use either in case of or in the event of. Both also correct. Okay? Can you understand this sentence? So make note of this example. Okay, we'll see one more example. In case of is walking fast. In case of is walking fast, he will reach the place on time. In case of is walking fast, he will reach the place on time. So here it is simple sentence because in case of possessive adjective, that is present participle V plus ing. Okay, non-finite verb. So it is simple sentence. So compound sentence. Okay, he walks fast. He walks fast and he will reach the place on time. Here he walks, compulsory third person means the verb follows es or es, sometimes ias. Because in this rule, present tense and it follows future tense. Okay, condition positive, this rule maximum percent. So present tense and compulsory it follows future tense. Okay, so he walks fast and he will reach the place on time. And complex sentence. If he walks fast, he will reach the place on time. If he walks fast, he will reach the place on time. This is complex sentence. Okay, so in this rule, we have seen that condition positive type, the condition part is present tense and the result part is positive. At the same time, it is future tense. So wherever, if you read the sentence, the present follows future. When you write the sentence, present always follows future tense and past follows past tense. Can you understand? So this is condition positive. Next rule, it is condition negative. So condition positive is there means definitely we will have condition negative type. Okay. So the rule number 5, condition negative. In first rule, what you have seen, if you listen, you can understand. And what is negative? If you don't listen, you cannot understand. If you don't walk fast, you won't reach the place on time. So here fully the result is negative one. Okay, condition part, at the same time result part is fully negative. So only we call as that is condition negative. See, simple sentence in case of or in the event of plus possessive adjective plus not plus verb plus ing. Only one difference between the condition positive and condition negative. Here we are using not. Previous rule, okay, we didn't use not because that is positive, condition positive. So in case of, in the event of possessive adjective plus not plus v plus ing form. Okay. So compound sentence or otherwise or else. Okay. Compound sentence conjunctions or otherwise or else. Okay. And complex sentence unless or if not. Unless or if not. See, in case of, in the event of possessive adjective not plus v plus ing, and compound sentence or otherwise or else. Complex unless, here if not. Okay, and here only one thing you have to keep it in mind. Okay, remember, when you use compound sentence, when you change into simple to compound or complex to compound, means you have to use must or should compulsory. Okay, then only you will get the correct meaning in compound sentence, otherwise you won't get it. So compulsory you have to use must or should. So unless, you know that if not, so where we use if not. See, we'll see one example. Okay, unless you listen, unless you listen, you cannot understand. Unless you listen, you cannot understand. This is complex sentence. Unless you listen, you cannot understand. So when you change into compound sentence, okay, the first part compulsory you have to use must or should, not in second part, first part. So you must listen. You must listen or you should listen. Okay, compulsory you have to write must or should in first part of the compound sentence. You must listen, otherwise you cannot understand. Okay, you must listen or you should. Compulsory you have to write must or should. And this is compound. Okay, simple sentence. In case of your, in case of, okay, next possessive adjective. And what is the next one? Not. Next verb plus ing, listening. In case of your not listening, you cannot understand. Okay, in case of you are not listening, you cannot understand. Okay, this is negative one. The result is negative one. You cannot understand. Got it? We'll see the one more example here. See, in case of you are not attending online classes, you cannot understand the concept. Okay, in case of you are not attending online classes, you cannot understand the concept. Okay, so compound, this is simple sentence. Okay, in case of you are not attending online classes, you cannot understand the concept. And compound sentence, you must attend online classes, otherwise you cannot understand the concept. You must attend online classes, otherwise you cannot attend the concept. You have to write must or should. Complex, unless you attend online classes, you cannot understand the concept. Unless you attend online classes, you cannot understand the concept. This is complex. So I said that in a rule, we can use unless or if not. So where we use if not. In case we have to use same complex sentence one more time. Okay, if you don't attend online classes, you cannot understand the concept. See, unless you attend online classes, if you don't attend online classes, both are same. Okay, so we have to use do, don't and doesn't. So he, she, it means we have to use if he doesn't come to school, he will not understand the concept. If you don't come to school, you will not understand the concept. So the persons he, she, it, we have to use does, doesn't. Okay, other persons I, we, you, they and all we have to use don't. Can you understand? So except third person singular we have to use don't. Third person singular he, she, it we have to use doesn't. So unless you attend online classes, you cannot understand the concept. If you don't attend the online classes, you cannot understand the concept. This is complex sentence. Complex sentence, there are two types. You can use unless or if, don't or doesn't. Okay, doesn't only for third person singular. Remaining person we have to use don't. Okay, see one more example. Unless we work overtime, we will not get the incentives. Okay, so here complex sentence, unless. Compound sentence, we must work overtime, or else we will not get the incentives. Okay, we must work overtime or else we will not get the incentives. Okay, and simple sentence. Okay, in case of our not working overtime, we will not get the incentives. Okay, in case of our not working overtime, we will not get the incentives. Okay, so in case of, or we can use in the event of. Okay, can you understand the two rules? Condition positive, condition negative. Okay, so ஒரு கான்செப்ட் அதுதான். இப்போ இஃப் யூ லிசன் யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். அப்போ நமக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக என்ன சொல்ல முடியும் அப்படின்னா, இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் லிசன் யூ கேனாட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஓகே, கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள் உங்களுக்கு புரியும், கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணலாட்டினா புரியாது. ஸோ அதுதான் கண்டிஷன் பாசிட்டிவ், கண்டிஷன் நெகட்டிவ் அப்படிங்கிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்கள் சென்டென்ஸ் படித்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் மேட்ச் ஆகுதா, ஆர் டைம் இமீடியட் ஆக்ஷன், இல்லை டைம் லேட்டர் ஆக்ஷன், ஆர் கண்டிஷன் பாசிட்டிவா நெகட்டிவ் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம படிக்கிற சென்டென்ஸ் அதோட மீனிங்கை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டால் ஈஸியாக நம்மளால் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ வி ஷுட் நாட் மெமரைஸ் த கோஆர்டினேட்டிங் கன்ஜங்ஷன், சப்பார்டினேட்டிங் கன்ஜங்ஷன். we have to memorize with proper meaning. ஓகே, இந்த இடத்துல தான் இதை யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கான என்ன மீனிங், ஓகே அந்த சென்டென்ஸை எக்ஸ்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறது என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத தமிழில் நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு நீங்கள் ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு சென்டென்ஸுக்கு மாற்றும் போது ஈஸியாக கன்வெர்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ மேக் நோட் ஆஃப் ஆல் த ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். ஓகே, ப்ராக்டிஸ் யுவர் செல்ஃப். யூ வில் see you in other class students. Thank you all.